to my channel. It's your girl Felzy, and I'm back with another video. Gosh, it's been a while. How have you guys been? I missed a lot. The 2019 Christmas, 2020 New Year celebration, and even Valentine. No update from me. I know one or two persons have chatted me up on Instagram asking me what is the problem. Like, they've not been hearing from me. Girls, I am so sorry. A lot has happened to your bae, and you know, it's just life, but I'm back now. I am fully back. So I'll be telling you guys about my weight loss progress so far. When I weighed myself recently, I noticed that I have climbed. I weighed, can't remember. I'll try. I weighed 87 kg. Should be 87.3 or 87.4. And I was like, oh my God, I'm dead. What happened? It's like this celebration has really taken me off. I've just been eating and enjoying myself, and I've forgotten everything about my weight loss. But anyway, now I'm back and I am ready to do my weight loss challenges, and also update you guys on how it has been so far. So let me even tell you what I have done. When I noticed that my weight has gone up to 87 kg, I almost cried. It was really annoying because, you know, when you have been putting so much effort to make sure you lose weight, you have been trying everything for close to 6 months, and you know that you're improving. It's just that one thing or the other is making you not to improve 100%, maybe because I'm not exercising or thereabout. It was really heartbreaking for me, but I told myself I would not let that get to me. Because I am almost at 90 or whatever, will not get to me. I won't let it pull me down. I won't let it stop what I have for myself or the plans I have for myself. Gosh, no. Okay, what I have done so far is I did water fast for one day. It was real pain because it wasn't easy. Like I was just drinking water like a camel, drinking, but at last it paid off because I felt a lot lighter and ready to dive into the diet that I want to do. Then another thing I did was 2 days smoothie fast. I don't know, I will not call it a fast because I ate something. So I ate watermelon and pineapple for 2 days. This process is just to detoxify my body, get my system ready for the major challenge or for the major weight loss that it's about to face, because definitely I'm going to be stressing this body. Yes. After which what else did I do? After which I did another 2 days of egg fast. What I do is I do intermittent fasting till 12, and then I start eating my egg from that 12 till 6. I stop. I cannot remember how many eggs I ate in a day because it wasn't so much. I'm not really an egg person, but I tried my best. I did it for 2 days. I survived. What I was feeling was I started having this foggy headache. Like, my body can't take it. My brain was telling me, eat. I need food. I need rice. I need something tasty. Give me food. And I told my body, no, I'm not done with you yet. I am not done with you. And then on the 5th day, I made pepper soup. As chicken pepper soup. That's what I did. It just helped calm my brain, calm my system. Like, the pepper and everything in the pepper soup just maybe balanced my body a bit, and the headache reduced. I would not say disappear because even right now I'm still having it. This is the day 6. It's already 12 and I've not had anything. Like, I've not eaten. My body now can even go longer without food. Really, I can't believe it. The thing is, when I weighed 87, I really didn't take picture of it. I was just so devastated that I did not remember. So after 2 days, I weighed myself and I saw 85. I knew that there was progress, like I am coming down. And today, I weighed myself again, and your girl is weighing 82. 82 point something, I can't remember, but I'm weighing 82 at least. That is progress in less than 5 days. I've not added exercise. Like, I have not done one bit of exercise, and I'm a very, how do I put it, my job is very, very time consuming. It entails a lot of movements and so on and so forth. But even at that, that's not, I don't see it as an exercise. It's just me working. But I don't hear win. Like, seriously, it's not been so easy for me. It's not been so easy for me. I would let me just show you guys my body and what I look like right now. Don't laugh, oh. This is me. This is my tummy. It's just me, but I'm a lot, will I say I've reduced a lot compared to what I was before I started this journey like 5 days ago. The reduction I am seeing is not really physical. It's just how I feel in my clothes. My clothes are a lot more loose now, and I'm having space. Like, before, when I wear this polo, I used to look like all this bread they sell 120. You know those bread I used to be thick, that if you press it like this, those kind of bread. I used to look like those kind of bread. Like, I used to look so big and thick in this top, but now I can wear it and still feel some space. I'm not really there yet because I still have the fat. I still have it in my body. I still have it in my body, but I'm getting there. That's what I can only say. So guys, that's what your girl looks like right now. I'm still a work in progress. If you know you want to join me and do this, gosh, drop a comment. It will help. If you don't want to put it on YouTube for people to see, come to my Instagram page. I'll drop my handle somewhere up, or it will be in the description box. Anyone, just chat me up, tell me, babe, let's do this together, let's get updates together. Like, I will be glad to have someone to do it with. I will be glad to help anyone out there. It's not easy, like going through all the celebration period, all the Christmas and then New Year, and still doing the Valentine with a lot of carbs and a lot of food that you've taken in. It is time to let it all go. No matter your weight, whether you're weighing 90 kg already, whether you've added to 105, no matter your weight, just start from somewhere. Start from somewhere. I want to be like a motivation to you out there. Start from somewhere. If somebody tell me that I'll be able to get back on track, I'll tell that person it's a lie, because the way I was so far gone into this carb and rice, beans, all these things, the way I was so far gone into it, nobody would tell me go and start eating vegetable or fruits for a day and I'll agree. Hey, I will not agree at all, because I know I am so much in love with the Nigerian dishes. Like, it's difficult. But if you know you have a target, come on, join me, let's do it. It might take us 3 months, it might take us 6 months. I don't know how long it will take us, but I would be happy to help 1 or 2 persons out there. Let's do it. I'm a beginner like you. I'm learning also like you. Whatever ideas you bring to the table, I'll gladly do it. I love you all, guys. Really, I do. If you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Let's grow this family. Like, this family is not so much right now, and I want us to grow. So guys, I'll catch you all in my next video. I love you, and bye for now.